Good morning, my dear children. I hope all of you have read the lesson, that is lesson number 1, Tubby the fat cat. I have taught you in the last class, and I told you that is you should have to go through the word fund, that is whisper. I think all of you know that is in the picture, it is already shown to you, that is the picture of whisper. Whisper എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ മക്കൾക്കെല്ലാം ഇതിൽ പിക്ചറിൽ കണ്ടാൽ തന്നെ അറിയാം അതിൻ്റെ മീനിങ് എന്താണെന്നുള്ളത്. വിസ്പറിങ്, that is saying in the soft voice to another person or another child, that is whispering. പതുക്കെ നമ്മളിങ്ങനെ സ്വകാര്യമായിട്ട് പറയുന്നതിനാണ് വിസ്പർ എന്ന് പറയുക. പിന്നെ സ്നോർ എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ കൂർക്കം വലിച്ച് ഉറങ്ങൂലേ, അതിനാണ് സ്നോർ. പിന്നെ പോസ്, then upstairs, and you are in the two pictures of that is the clock is shown there, and you should have to draw the hands there. That is that you should have to draw the hands of two clocks to show when you wake up, and also you should when you wake up and when you sleep, and also that is and what time you go to sleep, that you should have to show in the clock. That is I told you in the last class about that, and how that is for how long do you sleep, what happens when you sleep less. So when you sleep less, what happens to you? That is when you are sleeping very short time at night, that's not good for health. That is lack of sleep is not good for your body. Our body needs sleep to remain healthy and mentally alert. So you should have to sleep well, and you should have to sleep for a long time, at least 6 hours you should have to sleep at night. So that is our body needs sleep to remain healthy and mentally alert. So I taken the that is lesson number 1, Tubby the fat cat, in the last class, and I hope all of you have read the lesson. നിങ്ങളെല്ലാവരും വീട്ടിൽ നിന്ന് ടെക്സ്റ്റ് ബുക്ക് നല്ലവണ്ണം വായിച്ച് മനസ്സിലാക്കണം. റീഡിങ് ഈസ് എ വെരി ഗുഡ് ഹാബിറ്റ്. നിങ്ങളത് റീഡിങ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് നിങ്ങളത് ഡോണ്ട് ഡു ഇറ്റ് ഇൻ ദ ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് ഇൻ ദ ബാഡ് വേ. ഡോണ്ട് think it oh I shouldn't have to read. You should have to go through the textbook and read in the very good way the textbook. Understood, my dear children? And I hope all of you know about Andy. The last class I told you that is father, mother and Andy, 3 persons are there, and Andy was a 7-year-old boy, and he is all the time mummy and papa is telling him to go to sleep, and he is not at all bothering about that. So what happens, they went to their grandpa's home, and his that grandpa gave them the fat cat, that is a Tubby, and when that cat reached home, that he go to sleep in the proper time, and their papa and mummy was very happy about that. That is I told you in the last class and read the lesson. So today we are going to go through the exercises of that lesson. That is page number 11, 1111. All of you open the textbook and take the page number 1111. That is read and understand. Tick the correct words to complete the sentences. First one, Andy was dash. Andy was a 7-year-old boy. So Andy was, so you have given 2 choices there. The first one is a fat cat, second one is a 7-year-old boy. So already it has put the tick mark there in your textbook. Second one, Andy's father wanted him to go to bed early so that he could get enough food, sleep and rest. So the right answer is he could get enough sleep and rest. Third one, Andy's grandfather had a pet cat named Tubby Peter. So the right answer is Tubby. Fourth question, that is fourth sentence is Andy was dashed to find Tubby in his bed. Happy surprise. So the right answer is surprise. You should have to note from the bottom side below and write it on the gap portion there. Okay, so Andy was surprised to find Tubby in his bed. Yeah, fifth one, Tubby was dashed in Andy's bed. Tubby was snoring like a train. B is a plane. So the right answer is Tubby was snoring like a train in Andy's bed. Yeah, so we finished that A exercise. Then next is B, that is read these sentences and answer the questions that I will send to you in the WhatsApp, the answers, question answers afterwards. Then we can go through the exercise C, that is write Andy or Tubby. The pictures are shown there in your textbook. First one is Dash was a 7-year-old boy. Who was a 7-year-old boy? Yeah, Andy. Yeah, so write the Andy. Next, Dash was a fat cat. Who? Tubby. Yeah, third one is Dash did not go to sleep on time. So, who did not go to sleep on time? Andy. Yeah, so write look there and write the correct spelling there. Fourth one, father told Dash that it was important to sleep and rest. Yeah, father told Andy. Father told Andy that it was important to sleep and rest. Yeah, fifth one, grandpa suggested that Dash could help them. So, grandpa suggested that yeah, Tubby could help them. Yeah, sixth one, Dash was able to help Dash go to sleep on time. So, Tubby was able to help Andy go to sleep on time. Yeah. Next, turn the page to page number 12. Play with words. D. Underline the correct words to complete each sentence. Yeah, I am going to read the first one. Andy never went to sleep. So, on one no time. So, Andy never went to sleep on time. So, what is the correct that is a word to fill that gap? Already it has underlined the on the. So, Andy never went to sleep on time. Next, you should have to underline no one knew where Tubby was. So, three choices are the knew, knew. So, the right answer is K-N-E-W, knew. Underline in the bottom side of that word K-N-E-W, knew. Okay. Yeah, the third one is mother made tomato soup. So, made, three spellings are the M-A-I-D, M-A-T-E, M-A-D-E. So, the right answer is M-A-D-E. Mother made tomato soup. Yeah. Next, fourth one. Grandpa asked for a piece of cake. So, the spellings you are having three different spellings are the first one P-I-E-C-E, P-E-A-C-E, next P-L-E-A-S-E. So, the right answer is P-I-E-C-E. Grandpa asked for a piece of cake. Yeah. Next, fifth one. Father cut the cake into eight pieces. So, the right answer is father cut the cake into 8, E-I-G-H-T. Father cut the cake into 8 pieces, E-I-G-H-T. So, put underline that E-I-G-H-T there. Okay. Yeah. Next is E. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. So, that you are having three choices in the bottom. So, I am going to read the first one. That is, Andy did not dash what his mother said. Andy did not hear, see, hear, smell. So, the right answer is hear, H-E-A-R, hear. Andy did not hear what his mother said. Second one, Rishba's mother wears a ring on her dash, finger, neck, wrist. So, the right answer is finger. Next, can you dash a picture of a cat? Spell, then write, draw. So, the right answer is can you draw a picture of a cat? Yeah. Fourth one, the children are dash in the pool. Yeah, jogging, skipping, swimming. So, the right answer is swimming. The children are swimming in the pool. Yeah. Next is in the page number 12, spell it right. Read the clues and complete these words. You are given the picture there and also the sentence is there. So, I am going to read F, the first one, that is this keeps you warm in winter. So, that picture of the, what is the picture of the blanket is the, BL is given the, so you should have to fill that gap writing the alphabet the, writing the letter. You should have to write the letter the. So the spelling of blanket is B-L-A-N-K-E-T, blanket. What is it? BL is already given the, you should have to fill that gap, putting the, writing the number the, what is it? B-L-A-N-K-E-T. Okay. Next is this is a color. So you are given the color of the blue color is the, so that you are given the, in the block letters BL. You should have to write B-L-U-E, blue. Yeah. Third one is this is the name of a dress that rhymes with house. So rhymes with house is the picture of the blouse is given the, so you should have to fill that gap by writing the number, that is a B-L-O-U-S-E, blouse. Next is fourth one. This is a toy that children play with. So the picture of the toy is the, that is a BL is given the, you should have to fill that writing the spellings, that is a B-L-O-C-K-S, blocks. Okay. Next is that is in the page number 13. Page number 13, no grammar. What is it? No grammar. That is a drop E and add ing to these words. So you are given that words the, that is bake, hide, make, bite, love, move. So what you should have to do? You should have to drop that E from the bake, B-A-K-E, bake. You drop that E, then write what ing form of that word. Okay. So I am going to write it on the board. That is a G, no grammar. That is a G, no grammar. That is a G. G is a no grammar. B-A-K-E. What you should have to do is you should have to drop the C and then write ing form of that. Bake is a, you can write it as a baking. Next is first one, second one, hide, H-I-D-E, hide, H-I-D-I-N-G, hiding. Third one, M-A-K-E, make, M-A-K-I-N-G, making. Next, fourth one, bite, B-I-T-E, bite, B-I-T-I-N-G, biting. Fifth one, love, L-O-V-E, love, loving, L-O-V-I-N-G, loving. Sixth one, move, M-O-V-E, move, moving, M-O-V-I-N-G. Okay, my dear children, now we can wind up the class. Next class I will start in the next time. Okay, thank you.